Hi everyone, so this video will show you how to set up an exit pass using your Webex. First thing you need to do is to start your Webex and then go over the three dot option, click polling as shown in the video, and then it will open a pop-up just like this. The next thing that you need to do is to click the drop-down list, and then you'll see three options, and we'll choose the multiple choice simple answer first, single answer. And then what you need to do after you click new is that you can type in your question, all right, just like this. And then after you finish writing the question, just click the add button. As you can see, it's labeled answer, and what it does is that you're gonna start being able to add in the list of answer, the answer choices. As you can see, I type in yes, and then the first option is yes, and type in no, and then I press add. The second option is no, and then I'm gonna add the third option, maybe. Alright, the second type of question that you can add is a short answer question. As you can see, I'll go back to the drop down list, choose short answer, and then create new, click new, and then it'll let you type in another question. Alright, so let's say I'm gonna type in what is your spirit animal, right? So what's your spirit animal, and then that's it. You just click add, and it will give you it will add in the answering box where the student can type in the answer, and that's it. You cannot add any more option because you only need one box for the student to fill in, and that's it. A couple of important things you need to also know is first you need to tick that checkbox to let the Webex record the student's answer individually. Second, you also have the option to set a timer. If you want your poll to have a time limit, you will want to click display. I usually just untick it because I want my student to do the exit pass properly. So now your question is finished, your poll is finished. What you need to do is you need to save it, and then I would recommend you to save it in a place that you can easily find, and name it also to something that you can easily remember. For example, because the first question was about ramen, I'm gonna name my question as ramen test, okay? And then the beautiful thing about this is that after you close it, and then oops, I still have some there, clear, you can open the same question again. All right, so you go to the same place and then go to the same pop-up start, and then you click that button that says open, and then you try to find your test, and then voila, it reopens the question that you have just done. All right, I'll show you one more time. I'm gonna close the meeting. I'm gonna start again from the start meeting, and then click the three dots option, polling, and then click the open button right there, open. Find your test. Again, make sure you remember where you put it. Webex poll, ramen test. Click the ramen test, open, voila. Alright, after you finish, what you need to click is open poll right there on the bottom, and then it's gonna open the poll to the student, and then the student can start filling it. And the beautiful thing about this, as I showed you before, is that you can see the progress. If you click that button right there, any of the three dots option, and it'll show you who have started, who have not, and then who is finished. Right, after you finish, you can click close poll, and then the polling is ended. And the important thing that you need to do is to make sure you click save in order to save your result. As you can see there, it's text file individuals attendees result. So you can name it something that is easy for you to remember. Say ramen test results, because it's a result of the ramen test. And then I create a specific folder for all my results, and then click save. And that's it. You finish the poll. A couple of other things you can do is you can click that and then click apply, and then what it does is that it lets you share the result to the class as well. If it's something, if it's a discussion, you can share the result, and then it's give a student incentive to do their work properly because they know that you can share their answer to the class. Oh, and just ignore this point and just try to see what the poll result does. It didn't really show anything. I think it will work if you have actual answer inside, but because there's no answer, so there's nothing I can do about it. Alright, What I'm going to show you now is how to check the result. So go to where you save your result. I'll save it in my poll result, and then click your ramen test result. Again, it's going to show you a statistic like this. Do you like ramen? And then, yeah, that's it. Another thing you can do here is you can also type in comment if you feel like you want to comment on something or you want to remember something, add some note, and then just save it as normal. Oh, and what I do in this next part is I just make a copy. Like what I'm going to show you, that you can make a copy of the result, and then if you want to edit it, maybe just save a person's result, a particular person response, and you can do it that way too. So it worked just like a normal document. Alright, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learn how to do the Webex poll with this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any question, and I'll see you when I see you.